Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing fabulous today. Big up, big up, big up. So today it will be another hair review, guys, and this one is from Yolissa Hair, and I'll be reviewing their water wave wig, their lace front wig in 24 inches. This is just a look of the hairline, the hair itself, and the wig construction. Before we get into the install, guys, remember, like up the video, share the video, and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and all the details for this hair will be in the description of the video. So let's just get right into the install. So today I'm just using my Got To Be Free spray to lay the lace, to melt the lace, to do everything regarding this lace today. I must say I love the wig construction. It fits really well. Also, I love the lace, love how it blends into my skin, and also I love that the hairline is already pre-plucked for me. So let's work. So we're happy for that, right? So what I'll do, I use the spray on the lace, and then I use my blow dryer. And I'm just going to tie that down so it can seep in a bit, and then just cut off all that excess lace. So I'm just playing around with the wig a bit to figure out how I'm going to part my hair. I was so conflicted, guys, whether I'm going to do a center part or a side part, but not sure. I'm just using my hot comb to flatten the wig a bit, and I must say the hair is so soft and so easy to work with. As you can see, just watching the video, it doesn't get tangly at all. It was just very easy to work with for me, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a side part. Yes, we're going out on the limb. We're being a bit risky for a curly hair. I usually go with the center, but let's go ahead and do the side. And another thing I'm doing that I don't usually do, just looking at the wig, how curly and flowy it was, I decided I'm going to do baby hair along the entire perimeter of this wig. So I'm leaving out edges right along my hairline to go ahead and make those baby hairs, guys. And I don't normally do this. I usually put out two baby hair on my unit, but I don't know, I'm feeling risky today, so let's just roll with it. And I must say, the first place I posted this wig was on TikTok, and the girls were loving the hair. I had it on YouTube, and you guys also loved it as well. So basically, because it's a water wave hair, all I used water to recreate those curls and get those curls back into the unit, and then I kind of twist it up a bit. So water plus some mousse as well. So the water gives it back that water wave look. The mousse defines those curls. So I did both, and I just did this in about 5 or 6 twists all around the unit. And then to create the baby hairs, I'll be using my Got To Be glued gel just to lay those down and make sure they stay in a place. I chose to use the glued gel just because I use a Got To Be free spray to lay the lace. I think using the gel would kind of hold on those baby hairs a bit more, and then I just tie down the edges again. And now we're going to take a look and see what the curls are giving right now. One thing about me, I am going to try and get the top of my wig flat, whether it's curly, body wave, whatever. I'm just trying to get that flat. So my hot comb is my best friend, my BFF. We see eye to eye all the time. So I just kind of rub some oil, some argan oil on the unit and use my hot comb to kind of make that a bit flat. Not too flat, just laid enough where the curls can start forming nicely and cohesively. And that's basically it, guys. So let's get into the final look and my final thoughts on this unit. So on this unit, guys, I love that it was pre-plucked. I love the water wave curls and minimal shedding. Of course, it's a curly hair, so I did get some shedding as I combed through the hair, but overall really like the unit. So thank you, Yolissa Hair, for sending this over. Guys, remember to like the video, share the video, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, so every time there's a new video, you're the first to know. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.